We cannot please everyone. Read by Gabby. One day, a man was going to the market with his son and his donkey. On the way, they met a couple. "Why walk when you have a donkey to ride?" called out the husband. "Seat the boy on the donkey." "I would like that," said the boy. "Help me up, father." And the father did that willingly. Soon they met another couple. "How shameful of you! Won't your father be tired?" cried the woman. "Let your father ride the donkey." So the boy got down and his father rode the donkey. Again they marched on. "Poor boy," said the next person they met. "Why should the lazy father ride while his son is walking?" So the boy got onto the donkey too. As they went on, they met some travelers. "How cruel of them! They are up to kill the poor donkey," cried one of the travelers. Hearing this, the father and the son got down. They decided to carry the donkey on their shoulders. As they did so, the travelers broke into laughter. The laughter frightened the donkey. It broke free and galloped away. The road, so pleasing everyone, is very stressful because everyone has different views and opinions. When applied on our own lives, someone will always have a say on what we do, look, and act among things. This forces us to act against our own beliefs, values, and ideas. This story tells us that we cannot always please everyone, and therefore we should not. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button for this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.